Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word constructive. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The manager provided constructive feedback to help improve the team's performance. Constructive means offering helpful suggestions or feedback that is intended to build or improve upon something rather than criticize or tear down. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.